McKinsey just reported 400 million jobs vanish by 2020. Not might, will. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million full-time roles automated globally. Administrative assistants face 46% displacement. Customer service reps hit 49%. This isn't speculation anymore. It's happening now. JPMorgan deployed Coin software, replacing 360,000 hours of manual work annually. That's 140 employees' worth of labor. Gone. One algorithm. Google Gemini now handles 30% of internal coding tasks. Your junior developer salary just got cut in half. UiPath reported 65% of finance teams now use automation platforms. Accounting jobs evaporating faster than ever before. Your job might be next. Check if your role involves data entry, scheduling, basic analysis, or routine customer responses. Those jobs don't exist in 2007. You need new skills right now. Machine learning, prompt engineering, automation architecture. Not optional, essential. The gap between automated and human workers widens every single day. Upskill or get left behind. Your paycheck depends on it. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.